Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever had that sinking feeling in Figma when you accidentally delete a file, or maybe you just changed your mind after tossing something in the trash, don't worry. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to restore deleted files in Figma. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to recover those lost or deleted designs, so you can keep your workflow smooth and stress-free. Let's dive right in and make sure you never lose your hard work again. First, let's quickly see how files can get deleted in Figma, just so you know where to start if this happens to you. Maybe you selected a design and hit the delete key on your keyboard. Super easy to do, especially if you're working quickly. Alternatively, you might have right-clicked on a file or a project and then chosen Move to Trash. It's that simple, and honestly, we've all done it by accident. Just a quick note, Figma does this so you don't instantly lose everything. It gives you a chance to confirm before the file is permanently removed. So once you try deleting a file, Figma will automatically pop up a little confirmation window, asking if you really want to move that file to the trash. It's Figma's way of helping you double-check what you're doing. When you click Move File to Trash in that confirmation, that design is now in the trash bin, but it's not gone for good just yet. Think of the trash in Figma a bit like the recycling bin on your computer. Things can hang out there until you either restore them or choose to permanently delete them. Now, let's say you deleted something and realized, wait, I need that back. Here's how to restore it. On the left-hand side of your Figma dashboard, you'll see a section called Trash. Go ahead and click on that. Inside, you'll spot everything you've recently moved to the trash. Take a moment to scan through the list. Sometimes the design names can look similar, so make sure you click on the right file. When you found the design you want to bring back, simply right-click on it. You'll see an option pop up called Restore. Click on that, and just like magic, your file is no longer in the trash. If you go back to your Recents tab or wherever your files are usually stored, you'll see your restored design back where it belongs, ready for you to work on again. A couple gentle reminders. If you don't see your file right away in Recents, give it a second. Sometimes, especially if your internet is slow or if you've made a lot of changes, Figma might take a moment to update the list. And don't worry if you made this mistake more than once, everyone does it. Figma is designed for busy creators, so they really try to give you an easy way out if you misstep. That about covers it. So next time you delete a Figma file by accident, just head to the trash, right-click, and restore. Simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any other Figma questions or even a story about a near miss with the trash bin. And if you want to learn more tips and tricks to make your design workflow even smoother, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.